welcome to our Noritake tutorial video. In this video, we're going to connect a GTCP module to a Windows 7 PC. So first thing, we need to connect a micro USB cable to the micro USB port on the GTCP module. Additionally, we need to short JP1 in order for the module to accept power through the micro USB cable. Now that those are shorted and plugged in, we can plug in the other end of the USB cable into our PC. Once that's plugged in, the computer will start trying to find and install the device driver software. Unfortunately, for Windows 7, WinUSB is not automatically installed. Windows 8 and 10, however, do have Windows USB installed. Since we're using Windows 7, we need to manually install the WinUSB driver. So we can download this with the GTOP tool, which we will use this tool in the next tutorial video, part 2. So let's go to noritakeelect.com. Hover over downloads and go to design resources. Once at design resources, we can scroll down and find GTOP. Click on that. Once we're at the GTOP page, we can download it. And I already have GTOP downloaded on my computer and extracted. So once you've downloaded and extracted the download package, go into the GTOP download folder and you'll find GTOP user guide, GTOP, and WinUSB driver for Windows 7. And this is what we need to complete this installation. So first off, let's extract this zip folder and we'll open to WinUSB Compat. So with that, let's go to our device manager. By this point, it should have recognized that there is no available driver software, which we should be able to find here as well. This says no driver found. We can close that, right click on GT 800x480 and hit properties. Go to driver and update driver. Click on browse my computer for driver software. And now we can go back over to this WinUSB Compat. Click on the address bar, right click and hit copy. Go back over to the install, right click on the address bar here and hit paste. Then click on browse. We can expand WinUSB driver for Windows 7. We'll see WinUSB Compat. Click that and hit OK. And then hit next and it will install the driver. Now you have the driver successfully installed on Windows 7 for your GTCP module. Thanks for watching.